Welcome to PineScript Labs, your destination for trading success. Today, we are excited to introduce our latest premium indicator, all support and resistance levels. This premium indicator is set to revolutionize the way you operate within the Tradingview platform. Get ready to experience a trading revolution like never before. Remember that you can subscribe and become members of all our indicators through our website. We've provided the link in the video description. What makes our all support and resistance levels so special? Its unparalleled effectiveness is the result of advanced algorithms and cutting-edge mathematical calculations that provide you with a competitive edge like no other indicator on the market. The confluences between the different supports and resistances you'll find in this indicator are truly astounding and will provide you with a unique macro and micro view of the market. Now, let's dive into an explanation of how our indicator works and the advantages it offers for your trading. First, we observe macro supports in light blue and macro resistances in pink. These channels are automatically formed based on market data, identifying pivot points in the price history and determining the strength of these levels based on the number of pivot points within these channels. When the price interacts with the macro supports, we have a strong reaction that we can take advantage of in two ways. One, the first and most common way, as we can see on the chart, is that these areas elicit a strong reaction, and the price respects the channel. For us, as traders, it signifies a pivot point where we can generate an entry, either a buy at the macro support or a sell at the macro resistance. Two, the second way to use them, for which this algorithm is also prepared, is in the event of a movement where the price breaks these macro supports or macro resistances. We have a special alert that will notify us, as these macro channels tend to break with violence in a move that we can also capitalize on. Usually, when this breakout occurs, we will visit the next support or resistance channel, which can bring us significant benefits. We'd like to remind you that all premium indicators from PineScript Labs come with two types of alerts to automate your trading. The first type of alert notifies us on our devices when a significant price event occurs, depending on the indicator we are working with. The second is configured so that our indicators work for us without the need to be present on the chart, executing automatic buy and sell orders on our exchange through an alert set up for the 3 bot, as we see in this particular case with the all support and resistance levels indicator. Remember that you can always customize the indicator by adjusting input parameters according to your trading strategy and preferences. Moving forward, the next complex and precise calculation offered by this indicator allows us to work with price supports and resistances within the internal structure of the macro channels. As we can see on the chart, boxes are formed to represent the detected support and resistance areas. Additionally, it detects breakouts when the price crosses below the support box or above the resistance box and displays labels on the chart indicating when the breakout occurred, all in real time. But here's something super special, the algorithm also has a calculation that, as we see on the chart, there are instances when the breakout occurs, but the price returns to the support or resistance box, and it is detected. At this moment, a label appears on the chart showing that we have a possible breakout confirmation. In other words, if the price initially broke out but returned to the box, the algorithm will notify us with another label and a special alert when the price confirms the breakout. As traders, this allows us to work according to the method that seems most viable to us, whether it's on the breakout or the breakout confirmation of the boxes. At the same time, we can see on the chart that the algorithm also provides us with a volume profile, allowing us to see where the highest trading activity has concentrated based on price levels. We can also use it to identify support and resistance levels based on the point of control, POC, and value area levels. As we see on the chart, we have labels with the exact price where the most volume was traded. The top label on the chart shows the highest price, and the last label we observe is at the bottom, indicating the lowest price. These displayed labels are within the defined range of the lookback length, which we can configure in our indicator. As observed, the algorithm shows a strong confluence between the macro support channels and the volume profile labels, confirming the strongest areas within the range. Finally, after calculating supports and resistances from 3 different perspectives, the algorithm provides us with a macro view of price diagonally. In other words, it shows supports and resistances in the form of diagonal channels where market trends and areas where the price has historically encountered difficulties in advancing or retreating are represented. This can be corroborated with the supports and resistances we discussed earlier. As we can see on the chart, the algorithm also displays labels with the exact price where the angular price supports and resistances are located. These calculations are crucial as they offer a perspective on trends and help us understand the direction in which the price is headed when combined with the other support and resistance calculations. Please remember that all the calculations mentioned above have their own alerts for when supports or resistances are broken or new channels are created. We will now leave you with a recap of the chart to see how the entire algorithm works, displaying labels in real time and the important levels we will use. We hope you found this informative and useful. We invite you to leave your comments and subscribe to our channel to receive the latest news and updates. We are eager to hear your opinions and to share more valuable content with all of you. Remember that you can subscribe and become members of all our premium indicators through our website. We've provided the link in the video description. Your friends at PineScript Labs bid farewell.